How to fix your circadian rhythm. Our bodies are designed to follow a 24-hour cycle, aligning with the natural light of the day and darkness of the night. But thanks to the modern habits, scrolling to the phone, irregular sleep schedules, and artificial lighting, many of us have completely thrown off this rhythm, making it harder to sleep and function properly. Let's see how to reset the circadian rhythm naturally. First, what is circadian rhythm? It is your body's internal 24-hour clock that controls your sleep-wake cycle, energy levels, digestion, and hormone production. Let's look at this chart. The rise of cortisol in the morning combined with sunlight reducing melatonin signals to your body that it's time to wake up and start the day. As the day progresses, your energy naturally fluctuates, peaking in the morning and again in the afternoon. By night time, your body starts producing melatonin, the sleep hormone, to prepare you for rest. But if your circadian rhythm is out of sync, these signals won't work properly, leaving you feeling tired at the wrong times and awake when you should be sleeping. Signs: if your circadian rhythm is out of sync, you would have trouble falling asleep, you feel wide awake at night even when you are tired, waking up tired, even after 7 to 9 hours of sleep, you wake up groggy and exhausted. Energy crashes during the day. You experience extreme fatigue in the afternoon but feel more awake at night. Mood swings and brain fog. Since your circadian rhythm affects hormone production, disruptions can cause anxiety, irritability, and difficulty focusing. Digestive issues. Your gut follows a circadian rhythm too. When your sleep is disrupted, it can throw off digestion and metabolism, leading to unpredictable bathroom habits. If your sleep timing is disturbed, then your bathroom habits are also disturbed. If you experience any of these symptoms, then your internal clock might be completely misaligned. But you can fix it with the right steps. Fixing your circadian rhythm means aligning your body's internal clock with the natural day-night cycle to regulate sleep, energy, hormone production, and metabolism. It involves consistent wake-up times, morning sunlight exposure, meal timing, and limiting artificial light at night to reinforce a stable biological rhythm. How to reset your circadian rhythm? Step 1. Get morning sunlight within 30 minutes of waking up. Sunlight is the most powerful signal for resetting your circadian rhythm. It shuts down melatonin production and boosts cortisol, helping you feel awake and alert. Aim for 10 to 30 minutes of natural sunlight as soon as you wake up. Number 2. Limit blue light at night. Blue light from screen suppresses melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. Use blue light filters, switch to night mode, or wear blue light blocking glasses. The best approach: avoid screens 1 to 2 hours before bed. Number 3. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your internal clock. Your body doesn't adjust quickly to weekend sleep shifts, so keep your schedule consistent even on weekends. Number 4. Eat at right times. Your metabolism follows a circadian rhythm too. Try to eat meals at the same time daily and avoid late night eating, which confuses your internal clock. Number 5. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. A cool room, 60 to 67 degree Fahrenheit or 15 to 19 degrees Celsius, and blackout curtains help signal your body that it's time to sleep. Even small amounts of light can interfere with melatonin. Number 6. Exercise earlier in the day. Morning or afternoon workouts help reinforce your sleep-wake cycle. Avoid high-intensity workouts 2 to 3 hours before bed, as they raise body temperature and delay sleep. What not to do? Common mistakes. Taking naps longer than 20 minutes. Long naps confuse your body's natural sleep cycle. Drinking caffeine later than 11 a.m. Caffeine stays in your system for many hours, blocking deep sleep. Sleeping in on weekends. This throws off your internal clock, making Monday mornings even harder. How long does it take to fix your circadian rhythm? Fixing circadian rhythm isn't an overnight process, but with consistent habits, you can see improvements in 7 to 14 days. However, the exact time depends on how disrupted the rhythm is and how well you follow the right strategies. General timelines for resetting the circadian rhythm: 1 to 3 days. Small improvements in energy and sleep onset if you get morning sunlight. Limit blue light at night and stick to a fixed wake up time. 1 week, your body starts adapting to a consistent schedule and melatonin production aligns better with your new bedtime. 2 weeks, more stable sleep patterns, easier wake-ups, and reduced grogginess. 4+ weeks, full circadian rhythm alignment for deep restorative sleep, balanced energy, and reduced sleep disruptions. Factors that affect how fast you reset: how consistent you are with wake-up times and exposure to sunlight, how far off your rhythm. For example, night shift workers may take longer to adjust. Lifestyle choices, caffeine, screen time, and meal timing will play a role. If you consistently wake up at the same time, get morning sunlight, avoid blue light at night, and follow a structured sleep routine, you can reset your circadian rhythm within 1 to 2 weeks. However, for major disruptions, shift work, jet lag, or chronic insomnia, it may take a month or longer. While some individuals may experience adjustments in their circadian rhythm within the week, others might require a longer period, especially if underlying sleep disorders are present. Watch here for playlist on sleep. Want deeper insights? Join our YouTube membership for more videos on weight loss, gut health, cortisol, insulin, and more. And if you're in India and need help for weight loss, we have our expert backed programs both online and in person. Check the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.